my presents. So the first thing is this squishy from my friend. And here's the card that she gave me. Happy birthday, Kim. Here's a close-up. Happy birthday, Kiko. I always love you. I know it's disgusting. GBU, WU8, whatever it is. Yeah, that thing. And this is all Indonesian tambah elek. Jawab tinggi-tinggi lah Kim. BTW, sorry for this ugly random drawings. I know this is your wish list, so I can only draw this for you. Draw it for you. I'm actually. It should be but it's alright. I'm actually want to buy this for your birthday present, but what's that? But this squishy is getting rare and hard to find, so sorry. I gave that Lele Dango squishy with the pig edition. What was that? Yeah, with the pig edition, because I know you are a pig lover. Anyway, thank you for fulfilling my wishes, making your spam account. Well, this used to be my spam account, but I changed it already, so yeah. P.S. Sorry for my messy handwriting, and please mind my grammar. I don't get what do you mean by please mind my grammar, but it's alright. Thank you, Jeha. You're so nice. Next thing is going to be this one. So I got this hat from my cousin. Thank you, dude. So this is from Cayman, guys, and I love tapping because it's a pig. So yeah, I'm just gonna cover her name, her real name. There we go. And she said this. Yeah, she said that. And then I got this from my cousin. I'm just gonna read it then.
Happy birthday, Chico. I hope you have a good day, good week, good year, and good life below. I wish you all the best with everything in life, like studies, youth, stuff, all that good stuff. And of course, may God bless you, my dear cousin Kimicakes. I like the kitty fries for life, to be honest.
And thank you for always lending me your charger. What?
Man, stop. They all go so fast, wipe tears. But once again, happy birthday from to me. By the way, sorry for I read it orange.
Okay, next one. Jessie. And she gave me this drawing.
Hey, really good. Wish you all the best and may God bless you. I hope you like the cinnamon drawing I drew for you. It's ugly. Okay, and these, and there's a lot of mistakes. Thank you for always being my best friend. Maybe I made a lot of mistakes, and I hope you will forgive me for all of them.
I'm super grateful to have a friend like you. Wipe tears. Okay, never mind.
It's been 3 years since we were friends, and I enjoyed all the moments we spent together.
Jessie with a cat there. And she also gave me pig. Yay! I love pig. So cute, right? Wait, up here. Because pigs are amazing. Next one. Let's open from this bag. Okay, finally, now let's open it. I need my scissors. Okay, got it. Got my scissors. There, oops, there we go. Oh my god. Okay, let's open it. It's a squishy! This is from Celine, man. She said that she'll give me like a squishy that's an animal, and I'm pretty sure this is from her. I'm just gonna open it here. Oh my god, it smells so good! Next one. Let's open from this one. Oh, thank you, Felly! Yay! Oh my god. She gave me like a lot of stuff. Oh my god, she gave me a comb. And she also gave me this wooden clip set. Thank you, dude. I like this stuff. It's so nice. Oh, she gave me a notebook. She gave me this. Thank you. Let's see what's inside. Okay. It's just like a simple notebook. Thank you, Felly. Oh, I love these stuff too. Like keychains. Yeah, I think that's what you call it. Keychain. I can't. Yeah. And lastly, she gave me this book. This is gonna be the last one, guys. Finally. I think I know who is this from, but not sure, so I'll. Who is this
from, but not sure, so I'll...
Finally, man. I feel like I need a new lunchbox. Thank you so much. Who's this from? Audrey. Okay. Happy birthday, Kimicakes. Wish you all the best. GBU from Audrey. God bless you. There we go. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you next one. Bye guys and have a lovely day.